This is a revelation to the Igbo people. I am not going to force you to believe me. I am not going to force you to accept this revelation. Anywhere you are, all over the world.
Hello, a message is going viral. A prophet speaks and mentions Igboland in a way that is already raising questions across Nigeria. He says he saw a vision, a big picture, a future where nations of the world are drawn to one place. But what exactly did he mean? Is this a message of hope? Is this a warning? Or something that could be misunderstood if not properly explained? Now, in this video, we will let you hear the prophet's own words. Then we will break it down in simple, clear language so you can decide for yourself. Watch carefully, listen closely, and don't jump to conclusions.
This is a revelation to the Igbo people. I am not going to force you to believe me. I am not going to force you to accept this revelation. Anywhere you are, all over the world. The Lord said I should announce to all the Igbos, wherever you are in Nigeria, any state, any village you are, God said I should tell all of you to return back home. I saw an earthquake. I saw a dangerous earthquake. And the Lord said, tell all the Igbos to return back to their land. To return back to their land. Why? Because I saw nations, countries all over the world fighting to enter Igboland. I did not know what happened. There is a treasure that is about to be discovered in Igboland. There is a treasure, a milk,
share.
like honey, that is about to be discovered in Igboland, that we attract presidents from different parts of the world. The Lord said to me that the Igbos are going to be one of the richest nations in the world. Those of you who are saying that Biafra will never call, I'm sorry to announce to you that Biafra has already called. I am not an Igbo man. This is a revelation.
Share and comment your opinion.
Very clear. Every Igbo person, anywhere you are, return back to your land. A treasure is about to be discovered. A treasure is about to be discovered. A treasure that will attract international community is about to be discovered in Igboland. Mr. President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the Lord said you should do what you are already planning to do by releasing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Because I saw him coming out and I saw this treasure attracting nations of the earth all over the world. And God said that I should tell Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now.
Share and comment your opinion.
You will be forced to release him. And to all the people who are fighting against the release of Biafra, I am here to announce to you that Biafra nation has already come. I am just a prophet. I see, I tell you. You believe, you don't believe, you don't concern me. My own is to tell you what I saw. Igbo nation is going to be one of the richest nations in the world. And it's going to happen starting from this year. This is what God said I should tell all the Igbo people. I am not a Biafra man. I'm a Nigerian. I'm from Edo State. Auchi, who started that is where I came from. I am not an Igbo man. I am only speaking as a prophet. I am only speaking as a prophet. Anywhere you are over the world, Igbo people, I say congratulations to you because very soon nations are coming to that land.
What's your opinion on this? Share and comment.
I don't know what this means. This is what I saw in my revelation. May the Lord bless you.
Now we are back. We are back. Before I continue, I disagree with certain part of the prophecy. The one that says, okay, maybe not really a prophecy. This one is not really a prophecy. This one is about what the Igbos should do. Let's assume the prophecy is correct, but it doesn't mean all Igbos will have to return to Igbo land. No, I don't think so. I don't think there is any reason for all Igbos to be in Igbo land. There is no country that all their nationals are in their country. All their citizens are in their country. No. People have to go to certain places for different reasons. For the sake of that, you don't have this, you have this, you don't have this. Exchanges. When he's saying everybody should return to Igboland, does he also mean including the diplomats? For example, let's assume Igboland becomes a nation. Won't we have foreign representatives? What is he trying to say? So I don't agree with that particular side. Now I'm talking about the treasure. Is this something we are yet to know? I'm not doubting him, but I'm trying to look at this. According to him, let's go back to what he said. He said, Igboland will rise in importance. Global attention will be on Igboland. Nations of the world will be drawn to it. And according to him, it could become very wealthy and influential. And people should not panic or act out of fear. Now, we've seen prophecies like this before. Yes, in Nigeria, by many Christian ministries. They speak about national transformation. They predict economic rise or crisis. They share visions about specific economic growths or regions. Meanwhile, we will be watching with keen attention. Igbos are already an itinerary tribe. We travel. Wherever we are, if there's any good thing coming to Igboland, it will come. Meanwhile, I must let you know, not all prophecies come to pass just like the way they are being shared. Some are symbolic, some not literal, and some depend on human actions. That's how prophecy works. Well, human action in this sense, I'm not trying to tell you, go back to an Igbo. No. Igbos will be in certain places. But there are some extreme places I will tell the Igbo, don't go. Live there if you are there. Now, when he was talking about Igbo greatness or a special future, yes, that is possible. I don't know whether there will be some mineral deposit or maybe individual skills or personal resources that will, I don't know. But then, let's watch it. This prophecy has been given. Remember, we will be watching for it to happen. And the onus is on whoever has given him the prophecy, or whether it's he, to prove it in a short while. But I want to tell you that Igboland has great potentials. Something great will come out of Igboland, whether it's in line with what he said or not. And this is where we have to leave it for now. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. Don't forget to like the video as well.